Welcome back. Well, instead of drinking a cup of coffee or an energy drink that has a lot of sugar, Lisa Lynn is here to talk about ways to get natural energy instead of all that fake energy like caffeine and sugar, which is what I do every day.
Caffeine isn't really the worst for you. It's
right.
what we're putting in it, like all those non-dairy creamers,
sure,
coconut milk, soy. It's junk food, except it's disguised as really good.
Really? Even soy milk?
Horrible.
Huh.
We wouldn't drink it if it didn't have a lot of sugar.
I had never heard that before.
So I have some tips for you, though,
yes.
especially with this hot weather.
Yeah.
First thing we should all do, this is about, oh, sorry, I'm turning the oven on. This is about 16 ounces of, who wants to cook today?
No.
Of water. You should get up and drink 17 ounces, first thing out of the chute before you do anything. Studies prove you'll lose twice as much weight doing that.
If you do it first thing in the morning.
Yeah, and drink water before coffee, because once you start the coffee, you're not going for this stuff.
No, I know.
And we need more of this pure water.
Yes.
Now I have a little, while we're talking and we're going to take our vitamins, we're going to drink them. I'm just going to take this multivitamin and stick it in here. We're going to watch how long this takes to dissolve, believe it or not. Because why wait for this to dissolve when you need fast energy? I say drink your supplements. This one is loaded with every nutrient. Cheers, by the way.
Cheers.
I'm all in for 2 of these.
It tastes like juice, like
papaya.
pineapple, or yeah, papaya.
Pure, all natural, 90 essential nutrients, 60 trace minerals. Our bodies don't make minerals, and on a day like today, we need them. But when your body is in need, you can't wait for this to digest. So this is fast-acting, but very good for you.
Interesting. And then do you freeze it here and make a little popsicle?
Yeah, look, they're so good. My 16-year-old indulged in one. And I freeze them so, like, we're going to be on the boat later. We're going to be wanting something. We go for the healthy objects.
Yes, that's always good. That gives you natural energy.
Natural energy, and you got to feed the body what it needs first before you indulge in the other stuff. You have a budget, but first things first. Next, counterintuitive, but when you need energy, exercise, get up and move.
Right, but in the air conditioning, right? Because it's a little hot. You don't want to overexert yourself.
I don't think anybody who's outside exercising today, there's 12-step support groups you can sign up for. Seriously, it's insane. Yeah. Get inside, get in the AC, because it's not good for your heart. But lifting the weights, you can sit down in your air-conditioned house and lift and have a great, you will always feel better when you do it.
And even stretching, too. That gives me energy in the morning.
You know what? People say, you're so positive. No, the truth is, you'll never exercise and say you're sorry you did.
Oh, no.
You'll
never.
always be sorry you say you didn't, but test me on that, by the way. You will always feel 1,000 times better and full of energy.
Right, and then you'll feel less guilty about eating those cheeseburgers.
Or peanut butter bliss balls, which is Saturday today, you know?
What is that?
At my house, we do 2 things. One, say you worked out, you should fuel your body after. You should reboot your energy because it does hit it. But don't hit it with, you don't wreck what you just did in the gym drinking the wrong things. This is literally just coffee that you freeze in a shallow dish. It's granita, very huge in Italy. It's what they do at the leftover espresso. You freeze it and you scrape it. See, it's like an ice. Absolutely delicious as is, by the way. And then you can take this as melt fat milk, which is nothing more than protein shake. If you have a really delicious one like this complete protein, tastes like vanilla, it tastes like cream. And so you literally just pour this over the top. You don't have to lie. You can say if it's disgusting.
No,
but I guarantee you this.
So this is milk and just coffee ice?
Yes. It's called granita. You could eat it with a spoon. You can sip it with a straw. It's what they call a casual ice, meaning it could have big chunks. You could make it into ice cream. Is that not delicious?
Yeah, it tastes like coffee.
So think out of the box when you're not in the mood for your protein shake that's really good for your body, because you can have it 19 different ways, and this is, Martha Stewart taught me how to do this.
And then you can eat a big, some donuts,
Cooking it, yep. Well, these are really good donuts. These are peanut butter bliss balls that are in my book, by the way, and we freeze them this time of year. Would you like one? So I mix the peanut butter with my chocolate protein powder. In fact, this one is dusted with chocolate protein powder. So on a Saturday when everybody, we have a boat, it's boiling down there.
It tastes like peanut butter.
Yeah, people know this will be coming out of the freezer, and it's tough to keep this ice frozen right now, by the way. But this is a delicious way. This is nothing more than peanut butter, honey, and protein powder.
Wow.
Mix it up, put it in a ball, instant energy, but good for your body again.
It's so smart.
If you don't take things that are good for your body, our energy jacks up, we get dropped down, and guess what happens? It sets us up for the craving, which these soda, Gatorade. You don't need the sugar to hydrate your body.
No,
by the
just
way.
water.
Water, and you do need nutrients. So get the nutrients your body needs the most. Protein and the B vitamins.
All right, good stuff.
You see, ours still, nothing has digested yet, so I feel better. You didn't take your shot, though.
Well, I took a sip of it.
All right.
Yeah, I didn't.
When we're done. When we're done.
All right, thanks, Lisa.
Thanks for having
Some great
me.
information. Ways to really just get that energy going.
That's right.
Awesome. Well, for more information, you can always head to our website, WTNH.com. Just click on the On Air tab and pull it down to the Good Morning Connecticut weekend section. And it's definitely a good idea to stay indoors today when you're going to do your workout, right, Sam?
Yeah, today for sure is one of those indoor workout kind of days. If you are planning on doing a run or something today, the earliest part of the day and the latest part of the day is the best bet. Our temperature is now in the 70s. Now, one thing that we do not have anything of is rain, and it's been a long time. Yesterday, we did see showers and thunderstorms. Some of them featured torrential downpours. But if you were stuck under one of them, it did not last very long at all. Almost a 2-month rainfall deficit now up at Bradley International Airport, which puts us into a moderate drought. At the shoreline, it's less because we did see a few thunderstorms in the Bridgeport area. Overall, we are in a pattern that features very little rain, and the rest of the 8-day forecast, honestly, I'm not looking at very much at all, that's for sure. Hartford's camera looking nice, plenty of sunshine, and as we look a little further north of Hartford, it's 73 Manchester, 71 Canton, Winstead, the temperature is 69 degrees. The areas Winstead, Killingly, Putnam, let's say Woodstock, you guys are the ones that have the highest risk for a shower later on today because of some storms up to the north of us. My